Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we turn our focus to European markets, where the UK 100 rolling is higher by 21 points, the France 40 rolling is lower by 23 points, and the Germany 30 rolling is lower by almost 115 points. Looking elsewhere, Asian markets were on track for their biggest fall since January this morning, as oil shared some of its gains and investors showed jitters over the G20 meeting set to take place in Shanghai tomorrow. Even suggestions Japanese gadget maker Sharp was planning to accept a £4.16 billion takeover from Taiwanese-owned iPhone maker Foxconn failed to shore up markets. Having rallied before the lunch break in Asia, shares are down more than 14% in mid-afternoon, trading in Tokyo. Meanwhile, after an impressive recovery yesterday, with Brent crude up 3.3% at $34.41 a barrel, and WTI crude up 0.87% at $32.15 a barrel, all futures slid overnight. WTI was down 0.9% at $31.86 a barrel, while Brent crude fell 1.1% to $34.04 per barrel. Now for some corporate news, Lloyds Bank profits climbed 5% to £8.1 billion. Lloyds Banking Group shares leaped this morning as it hiked its dividend, but more PPI charges dented its pre-tax profits. Operating costs fell to £8.3 billion, while impairment charges fell 48% to £568 million. But statutory profit before tax fell to £1.6 billion from £1.8 billion a year before, while earnings per share fell to 0.8p from 1.7p in 2014. That was thanks to an additional £2.1 billion PPI provision during the fourth quarter, which brought the 2015 total up to £4 billion. The bank nevertheless chose to hike its dividend to 2.25p per share, up from 0.75p in 2015. Shares of the bank jumped 9.5% as the market opened to 68p. Ofcom said BT does not have to spin out its Openreach, but must open its network to rivals. Elsewhere, AB InBev posted a 6.6% rise in earnings to $3.4 billion, which was slightly below expectations, but said its deal with Saab Miller is on track. Zoopla said it's attracted more than 47 million monthly visits to its website, and St James's Place said strong growth has led to a 20% increase in its dividend. Now looking at some key data in focus, at 9:30 a.m. we have the UK GDP, and at 10 a.m. we have Eurozone Consumer Price Index, and at 1:30 p.m. over in the US we have durable goods orders. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.